with a friend and we are still waiting for the food.
We are early.
We are early.
So yes, we're gonna wait for them to get food and snacks. Till that we're enjoying
Yes.
our view.
The view is amazing, like literally so nice. I will show you guys. Yes, so aesthetic. So it's so beautiful.
That's hers, yeah.
Ah, that's mine.
Yeah, I think that's hers. That's really big.
It's okay. Oh wow, nice.
With cream the hot chocolate, madam.
I think her, yeah. Her.
Yeah,
That's
with
okay.
cream. Yes.
I've had which one?
This is my scrambled egg, cheesy scrambled egg.
It's okay.
Ah, it looks so nice. How it tastes. So I just got done with the brunch and now we are headed to a gift market and then maybe I will go to mall. So we'll see. And the food was great. I really liked the scrambled egg. I also tried my friend's eggs benedict and even that was good, but the quantity was a lot. I feel like it's just too much for me, so I had to pack some of it because I hate wasting food. Last time when I was here, I tried their tiramisu and it was really nice, but honestly I'm just full so I don't think I can eat dessert anymore. We are at the gift market and I found this really nice palette. I don't know how to show you guys. I will open it. I'll somehow open it. It is so cute. So nice. But I have so many palettes, I don't think I'm going to take it. But I love it. Especially because of this anime girl. Another one. I've seen these online. Where did you see that one?
Good tablet. All this. Oh, this is actually not bad. See, this looks through classy type.
Which one? Yeah. This is for one dollar. So nice. This is so cute for kids. We are now checking for some cheap shoes.
Don't tell people they're buying cheap. See? It looks
Very
good.
nice. Yeah, they actually like that. Let's check the price. says 1.5. Then that's not bad, yeah. But I already have so many mugs at home. I literally don't have any space. So I'm at Oman Weekly today with my friends. We've been planning since last 1 month and we just couldn't find time. And finally we are
here. We're gonna eat lots and lots of food.
What else are we going to do? Just eat. Other than eat food. Oh my god. Yes.
Chicken ranch salad.
What is this? Salad.
Chicken ranch salad. And your veal pasta chicken. Would you like me to open it now?
Yes. Wait, 1 minute. Hold it on. Ready. Wait, 1 minute.
By the way, you have a drink?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? So this pasta is our signature pasta since 2018.
I've tried this, I think, in Bollywood.
So veal pasta chicken. Very nice.
Yummy. Thank you. Can we have it in the center?
The sliders are here.
Look how delicious and cute. Let me take a picture of this slide.
We literally destroyed the fries and the pasta.
Yeah.
Now we are attacking the salad
And then the sliders.
and then the sliders. Okay, our dessert is here.
Our dessert is here.
Okay, say it one more time.
Ask us we want dessert, please.
So we have a saffron cake here.
Yeah, it's amazing dessert.
Amazing dessert.
Where is the chocolate spoons? Where is the sugar?
And here's the sponge.
There are the spans. Let's dig in. Let's dig in.
इसलिए वीडियो भी है मैंने फोटो भी नहीं लिया तुमने
What are you doing?
I help you.
Okay.
It's delicious. It's
Oh my God.
delicious.
This is amazing. Amazing. I love it. I just lose my mind because I just love these books. They're so nice. And I'm here for fourth wing, but they don't have the first one. I still don't know if they still have it. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't know what this is, but this looks really cute. Definitely want to check it. Ah, it's by Webtoons. I took eye Spanish as well.
Put your picture there.
My eyes Spanish.
That is mine.
And mine is March.
That is yours.
My eyes Spanish. And
You guys must try matcha. Matcha is the best. Mugs matcha is amazing. You guys have to try it.
your face.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm back home from the mall, and it took me a little while because Ramadan is going on and the road is usually, packed. There's a lot of bad drivers on the road. I don't know why. It always happens that, people are recklessly driving. Anyways, I got a book from Virgin store, and it is Iron Flame. I tried to look for the first book. I couldn't find it because they told me it's sold out. unfortunately, because I really loved reading the first one. I really wanted the paperback. Anyway, I'm Flame. I'm going to finish the first. I'm going to finish the first one first, and then I'm going to start with this. And I also want to talk about the book that I wrote. So I'm a writer, if you don't know yet. Profession, I'm a writer, and I wrote my very first book. Actually, not my first book. I published my first book. So this is my, I think, 12th book that I have written. I don't post all of my books online. Some of them I just write for fun. And this one is called Castle, and this is my name. So it's a psychological thriller book. If you want to check it out, it's on Amazon Kindle. If you have a Kindle Unlimited subscription, you can download the book for free. If not, it is just for $3.99. So you can check it out if psychological thriller is something that you like. It's about this girl called Millie who wants a job, and she's desperately looking for a job, and she ends up finding one with the Montgomerys, who are looking for a nanny for their kid. This is what, you know, the ad says online. But when she goes to their house, she realizes that it's actually a caregiver position for their son, and he is a 30-year-old man. He is the CEO of a billion-dollar corporation. So that is the story. And so she unravels some secrets, and there are some murders happening. What's going on? You know, she gets tangled up in all of these things. So check it out if you want. There is, you know, a synopsis, summary there. I will put the link in the description. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm really sorry I've not been active on YouTube. I really want to make videos every week, but it's just not happening this time. But yeah, I will just start vlogging more regularly, hopefully, and see you guys next week. Bye.